Hi, you are welcome again to Advanced Me, where you transform today, advance tomorrow. Still on the series, the Excel Dictionary. In today's episode, we'll be looking into how to use the not function. Please like, share, subscribe. Most importantly, click on the notification bell for more videos updates. Let's get started. The not function is a logical function that reverses the value of its argument, returning true if the argument is false and false if the argument is true. Okay, let's take for instance, like I have in my display here, I have test scores for pupils in a particular class. I want to check the one greater than 50, and remember, it reverses the value of its argument. That if it's true, it returns false, and if it's false, it returns true. So equals to not, double click, then we pick our cell, our reference cell, then we add greater than equals to 50 being the cutoff mark. 50. Click enter. Now this is false because obviously this is greater than 50. Like I said in the definition, it returns false if the argument is true. So then you drag down. So this is also false because this is 50. It's obvious that this is 55, greater than 50. And this is true because it then returns, if false, it returns true because this is 30 and 30 is below 50. Here is another example. We want to check here if we have any apple here or not as part of the product in a particular store. Okay, goes to not. Double click, pick, then equals to apple. I'm looking at apple here, then close bracket, enter. So what we have here in this cell is banana, but here is saying false because, like I said, it returns true when its argument is false and it returns false when its argument is true. So here that we have apple showing false. So let's check the third example. And this is going to really amaze you because we want to check for cells that are not blank. So we'll be adding another function is blank. So equals to not, then pick another is blank, then pick our cell, then close brackets first, and the second one, enter. So in the empty cell or the blank cell, we have false, and this is meant to be true, but that's the work of the not function. It reverses the value of its argument and returns true if the argument is false, and return false if the argument is true. So here that we have a blank cell showing us false, and here that we have an occupied cell is showing us true. So that is that on the not function. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Most importantly, click on the notification bell for more videos updates. See you in the next video.